I know how frustrating it can be to deal with a flat tire, especially when you're out on the road. That's why I bought and tested these tire repair kits, so you don't have to waste your money on products that don't deliver. Let's dive into the top 5 tire repair kits I found and see which ones are worth your time and cash.
Product number 1, Bocker's 60 PCS Tire Repair Kit. When I first got my hands on the Bocker's 60 PCS Tire Repair Kit, I was a bit skeptical. Could these rubber nails really do the job? I had a small puncture on my truck tire from a pesky nail, and I decided to give these a shot. The kit includes 60 rubber nails, 30 small and 30 large, perfect for various puncture sizes. The installation process felt intuitive. I just inserted the nail into the puncture and twisted it in. The rubber nails are made of high-quality material that's designed to withstand heat and wear, which was a relief. After a few minutes, I had my tire potched up without even needing to remove it from the rim. The sealing effect was impressive, as I could feel confident driving without the worry of air loss. Now, let's break it down. The pros include the ease of use, versatility, and a high-quality material. I love that it works for multiple vehicles, from cars to tractors. However, the cons are that it requires an extra sealant for optimal sealing, which isn't included in the kit. So why buy this kit? If you're a DIY enthusiast or just want a quick solution for minor tire issues, the Bocker's kit is perfect. It's affordable, easy to use, and a savior when you're in a pinch.
Product number 2, Kever 60 PCS Tire Repair Kit. Next up is the Kever 60 PCS Tire Repair Kit. I stumbled upon this kit while searching for something a bit more robust. Just like the Bocker's kit, it comes with 60 rubber nails and is designed for easy self-service repairs. I had another puncture to test it on, and I was pleasantly surprised at how quickly I could fix it. The nails are crafted from high-quality rubber, making them durable. I appreciated the fact that the kit includes 2 sizes of nails, allowing you to handle different puncture sizes effectively. The pros? It's quick and easy to use, the sealing effect is solid, and it fits a range of vehicles from motorcycles to trucks. But I did find that the instructions could be clearer. It took a bit of trial and error to get it right. Why buy the Kever kit? If you're looking for a reliable and versatile tire repair option that can handle a variety of vehicles and punctures, this one is worth considering. It's budget-friendly and a solid addition to your emergency kit.
Product number 3, the Autotown 68 PCS Heavy-Duty Tire Repair Kit. I was drawn to its professional quality and extensive range of tools. This kit is heavier and feels more robust than the previous ones. I decided to put it to the test on a larger puncture on my ATV. The kit includes multiple tools, including a T-handle and a spiral probe, which made the repair process straightforward. The adhesion was fantastic, and I felt confident it would hold up against tougher conditions. The pros? It's incredibly durable, has a wide range of applications, and includes everything you need for a comprehensive repair. The only downside is that it takes up a bit more space than the others, but that's a small trade-off for the quality provided. Why should you buy this kit? If you have multiple vehicles or need something that can handle tough repairs, the Autotown kit is an excellent investment. It's designed for serious users who want reliability and quality in their tire repair.
Product number 4, the Autotown Flat Tire Repair Kit. The Autotown Flat Tire Repair Kit is another solid option that I found. This kit is a bit more compact with 31 pieces, which is perfect for those who don't want to lug around a heavy kit. I tried it out on a flat tire for my lawnmower, and I was impressed with how quickly I could make the repair. It comes with everything you need, including T-handled tools and quality plugs. The portability is a big plus, allowing me to easily store it in my garage or take it on the go. Pros include its lightweight design, ease of use, and versatility across different types of vehicles. On the downside, it doesn't have quite as many pieces as the larger kits, so it may not be suitable for serious off-road repairs. So why should you buy this kit? If you want something compact and efficient for light to moderate repairs, the Autotown Flat Tire Repair Kit is a great choice. It's effective and won't break the bank.
Product number 5, CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit. Lastly, I tested the CK Auto Universal Tire Repair Kit. This one caught my eye due to its comprehensive nature, including a variety of tools and 20 repair plugs. It felt like a full emergency toolkit rather than just a tire repair kit. The first time I used it was on my SUV, and I was genuinely impressed by how simple the process was. The T-handled tools made it easy to insert the plugs, and the instructions were clear, which is a huge bonus for a novice like me. The pros? It's a complete package for emergency repairs, and it works for a wide range of vehicles. The only downside is that it's a bit bulkier than other options, which might not be ideal for those with limited storage space. Why buy the CK Auto Kit? If you want a complete solution that covers all your tire repair needs, this kit is a fantastic choice. It's well made and has everything you need for roadside emergencies.
In conclusion, having a reliable tire repair kit is essential for every driver. Whether you choose the budget-friendly Bockers or the comprehensive CK Auto Kit, each option brings something unique to the table. My advice? Pick one that suits your needs best, and you'll be prepared for whatever the road throws at you.